first grade. This is Mrs. Webb, and I'm here with you today for your number talk. Before I get started, I just wanted to let you know that I know I speak for all of the teachers at Allen, that we just miss you guys so much, and I know this is kind of hard at this point, and we just want you to hang in there. You're doing so great. We know that because we see your assignments on Google Classroom and on Seesaw, and you're doing a great job, and just keep at it. We love you. And I just wanted to let you know that. Okay, we're going to get started. Today for your math lesson, Mrs. Herm is going to be talking about a learning objective. So I'm going to do our number talk with that learning objective as well. So here is our learning objective for today. I understand that 2-digit numbers represent amounts of tens and ones, and I know that we've been talking about this, and this is kind of like a review. And so we're going to play a little game today after we just look at this next slide. So that means basically when we talk about 2-digit numbers representing amounts of tens and ones, to explain that, the number 23 means that there are 2 tens and 3 ones. And so we've got our place value chart here, tens and ones. And so 2 tens means 20, 10, 20. That's what 2 tens means. And then 3, when it's in the ones column, means just 3, 1, 2, 3. So the number 23 can look like this, broken up with your tens and the ones. It also looks like this with your base 10 blocks. 2 tens and 3 ones is the same as 2 tens and 3 ones, which is the number 23. Okay, so I wanted to just review that really quickly so we can play our game. Okay, so you should have your pencil and your paper ready, and you're going to write the number that you see. And it's going to be timed, so you've got to write it and be ready and see if you get it right. You're going to be able to check your answer. Here we go. So you're going to use these base 10 blocks that are coming up to, well, if I started it, it would help to write your number, okay? First one. So the little block is a 1, and then the rod is the 10. Here we go. Here's your first number. I want you to write that number. It's being timed, so count and write it. See if you get it right.
62.
Did you get 62? Good job. Okay, next one. If you had a dry erase marker, you can erase. And the next one is right here. Count and write. Did you get it?
49.
49. You don't even need a piece of paper and a pencil if you don't have one. You could just be shouting the answers out. Next one. Write your number or say your number. Did you get it?
56.
56. I'm going to pause it right here for a minute. Say how many tens are in the number 56. You got it, 5. How many ones? Right, 6. One more. And then we're going to do one with 10. This one's going to take a while. Did you get that one?
99.
That one was hard to count. There were so many. 99. Good job, guys. Okay, now let's try this one. This one is going to be using dimes and pennies. So dimes would be the same as your tens, because a dime is worth 10 cents, and your pennies would be worth the 1, because a penny is worth 1 cent. So let's see if you can just do a few of these. Here we go. So remember, the dime is 10 and the penny is 1. Can you count those? Did you get it? It was 67. 67 cents. Okay, next one. We'll do, this is the last one. The last one that we have time for. Did you get it?
83.
83. All right, guys, our time is already up. Hold on just a minute. Our time is already up, but I just want to let you know that I hope you have a very awesome day today, and we're thinking about you and we love you. See you soon.